Welcome to Vim Tip of the Day. Today, I wanted to show you how to search for text inside code and make it much simpler to see what you're searching for. So let's say I'm in this code and I want to search for the word next. So I would type in /next, and you can see that even though I type next, this is the text I want to find, but it's much easier if I turn on incremental search. So I do :set inc search for incremental search. From here, if I type /next, you can see that it immediately match up to the word that I'm searching for. It just makes it much easier for variable names that are longer. So for example, I'm trying to search for the word new node. So NEW NODE. So you can see what you're searching for. You hit return, hit next, and that matches up the word that you're searching for. But even better, if you type in set HL for highlight search, voila, even better. So every word that you are searching for, that match is highlighted. So if you hit next, you're able to see all the words that you match. And for example, if you search for next, you can see all the words that matches what you're searching for. This makes searching so much easier. To save those two options, you add in set inc search and set hl search in your vim rc file. So take a look at that file. You do escape : edit your home directory .vim rc file. And if you add in these two lines, show incremental search with set inc search and hl search, that will accomplish what we just talked about. Thanks for watching.